Hello and welcome back to A Little Crazy. I've decided to finish the vinyl on the walls before moving on anywhere else. The panels in the workshop were actually getting in the way and I needed to free up the space. So having them done on here anyway allows me to put in the tracking for the LED light. So when the electrics wires is all done, then it can all be linked up together. So that's the reason I'm doing that. And they're not going black. This is simply the foam backing that I've already put up onto the boards. I've just brought it up here at the moment for final measurement. I'm going to take a very slight piece off this edge here so that it all fits nice and square. Hopefully that will be the last dry fit of this. Then I can get it all vinyled. Get the curtain track on as I've done on the sides, the front, as you can see. I'll show you how I've done that. And then this will all be done, and then we're solely concentrating on the electric, putting the transducer in so that we can finalise that end board with the electric cupboard and finish that off. But that will be in the next episode because this is going to take some time. So I've got that panel up with the vinyl. That's just a dry fit, so I need to put some Velcro on the back of this. It's already on the wall of the boat. Just put it on the back of this just to hold in place, and then I can get the curtain tracks on. So all the tracking's up on this window now. Keep it in there nice and good. So the only thing to go on this side now would be the LED channel that goes down that top corner there, and that will pin the very top because there's no Velcro up the top anyway. So it's pinned by that and it'll be pinned by that, keeping it nicely in place. It's all looking good. On to the other side. Right, it's time to get this wall up. You can see what I've done here is I've put some Velcro in certain places along, up the side of there and down that front edge. That's to hold it in place while I'm working with it. This is the Velcro I've used on the walls. As you can see, for every 100 ml, it's supposed to carry 7 kilograms. It doesn't have to carry that weight, obviously, because it was just to hold them in place. I'll put a screw right up the very top as well, that's out the way, it goes behind the ceiling anyway. And the blue tabs here is to show me when I come to put the tracking on for the curtain, is to show me where the screws have got to go in, because obviously I don't want to put them through and straight onto these already screwed windows. Once I get the side piece up, I won't be able to see any of that obviously, so I'll need to know where they go in. So that's what they're for, top and bottom. It's not going to be so easy to get it in place first time because it is so long, and obviously working on your own it's a bit awkward. And of course the Velcro will grab before I put it in position, but struggled on the other side and it was smaller than this one, so there we go. go up slightly. And so it's not easy because it's grabbing. What you don't want is for it to break. Right, well, that's in, it's holding. Puffing and panting. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll pop a screw up there, probably a couple actually along the top, maybe down the edge as well, just to hold that bit on. Then once the rail is on along the top of there and then down the bottom, and that will hold that in place. And obviously there's Velcro, as I just showed you, underneath to hold it against the wall. Very top, again, like the other side, will have LED going across there, so that will hold on the top there as well. But it's not far off being done now, and then I can get on with that. A bit dark in here, I know. That's the first track up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 extra holes along that track, and that's because the track comes pre-drilled. Don't know why, they don't know where I'm going to put it or how long I'm going to have it, but here we are. So just going around these walls. They're almost finished now. It's got the tracking on the windows above and below. And that's where it meets up with the electrical cupboard. So that's the last of the wall panels done then. So now I can definitely get on with the electrics. So I'll be removing these panels, and then it'll just be all electrics until these are done, and then I can get these panels back up. So hopefully I'll get those done over the next week or so. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.